How to make navigation transparent in Framer. So here I am in the Framer homepage, and then from here, make sure you're already logged in to your Framer account, and then we need to go to the project's dashboard. So just hover your mouse right here in the dashboard, and then click projects. And then from here, you can go ahead and select a project that you want to edit. If you don't have a project yet, you can just click new project, and then you can choose if you want to create a blank project or if you want to use a template. So in my case, I already opened my project right here in another tab, and then as you can see, I have a blank project right here. And then if you want to make like a transparent navigation, what we need to do is that we need to add the navigation right here. So we can go to insert, and then you can see some templates right here for a navigation menu. And then you can choose whatever you want from here. So I'll just choose this first one right here. Then now we have this navigation menu right here. And then let's also add some other things to our website right here. So for example, I will add some sections. So let's add a section like this, and then let's add another one like this so that we just have some content in the website. Then from here, we need to edit the look of our navigation menu so that we can have like the transparent effect. So just double click on the navigation menu, and then you should be right here in components. Then from here, we need to edit the look of our navigation menu. So just click this one, the desktop primary, so that it will select all of the content of your navigation menu. Then from the right sidebar, scroll down until we see styles, and then for the fill right here, we can choose to have like a linear gradient right here. And then what I will do is that I will rotate the gradient right here 90 degrees so that we have kind of like this gradient effect in our navigation menu. And then from here, let's go back right here. And then you can adjust the look of the gradient by just dragging the circle right here, as well as this one at the end. But I just want this default setting right here. But if you want to edit this or design this however you want, you can do so as well. But what I'm going to do is that for this left part right here, or this white part, I will make the opacity into like 20% so that it looks transparent. And then right here for the right circle, I'll make the opacity maybe to 15%. So you can play around with the different values right here. So this is just what I use for this example for this video. And then once you have the opacity, what we need to have next is that we need to have like a background blur effect. So we can go right here to styles, and then go to filters, and then have this background blur right here. So it's up to you whatever value that you want to use. So for example, I want to use 20, and then now we have this kind of like a transparent look for our navigation menu. We can go back to the home page right here, and then as you can see, we now have this transparent navigation menu right here. So what I will also do is that I will make the position right here to fixed so that it will follow us whenever we scroll up or down in our Framer website. And as you can see, it has this transparent effect where if I scroll down, you can still slightly see the content behind of the navigation menu. And then if you change the look or like the color of the background, the navigation menu right here will follow the color since this is a transparent navigation menu. So for example, this section right here, I can change the color to red as an example. And then, oops, sorry. Let me undo. And then next for this section right here, I can also change its color. So for example, let's make it like this light purple color. And then since we have the transparent navigation menu, so as you can see, it just follows the color of the background right here. And then if you want to change the text right here, the color of the text, you can go back right here, and then you can go ahead and change the color of the text right here however you want. So we can select all of the text together right here by pressing the control key and then clicking all of the text. And then let's go to text settings. Then for the color, for example, let's make it black. Go back to the home page, and now we have this black color for the text, and then we still have the transparent background for the navigation menu right here. And then that's it. So I hope you learned how to do it. And thank you for watching.